Hello dear friends, welcome to another GIS and remote sensing YouTube video channel. Today we will discuss about flow direction in raster image, and it means the flow direction in every pixel from raster image. And inshallah we will discuss about the flow direction, resample, raster to point direction, and export your files. Before starting the tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Now come to ArcMap environment. As you seen in the screen, this image has already clipped. This is a Landsat 8. Now we want to um, work on every pixel of this Landsat image. For this, we come to Arc Toolbox. From Arc Toolbox, we have in here spatial analysis tools. From spatial analysis tools, in here we have hydrology. We use fill. Why you use fill? For removing imperfections, and when the satellite sensor will capture the image, it maybe capture some imperfection. For removing the small imperfection, we use a fill. In input surface raster, we use Landsat 8 image. Landsat 8. For output surface, we use output should be the output should be here. We should data, and this is the output by the name of fill. Okay, now we okay. Yeah, hold it down. Come to another is a flow direction. Flow direction, it will work in every pixel of image. From it will be direct and the steepest down slope from newer pixel. It will calculate the every pixel of raster image by the flow direction in every pixel from the neighbors and in the steepest down slope. In here, from input surface we use a fill. In here we use fill. From output should be used by the name of flow direction. Force all edges to flow outward is optional. Now okay. Now in here, if we zoom in here, every color, every same color, it is a concept. I will tell the concept. Every color must have a same value. How we know? In here we have identify. If from the sign color should be in here. From here you see pixel value 4, and also if I click here, also pixel value 4. For black color is a 1. In here black color is a 1. For this color is a 64. In here 64. There's a concept. Now we want to identify the flow direction of every cell. If we zoom in here, as you see here is all cell. How I specify the every cell. In here, as you see in here, the measure. If I zoom in, if I measure this length of this cell, it's about 30 meter. Now I want to change the spatial resolution of this from 30 meter about 500 meter in every cell. How I change it? From this ones we come to our toolbox. We have a data management tools here. From here we have a raster, from raster, and also here raster processing. We have a sorry, I have a Resample. In Resample it will work, it will change the spatial resolution. uh, in here we use input raster should be flow direction, output should be by the name of Resample. Resample. In here X and Y, it now is at 30. I want to change it in 500. Every cell, the length or cell or pixel size should be if generated resample, the resample pixel size should be 500 meter spatial resolution. Here the resampling technique is optional. Nearest, for nearest we can nearest is used for discrete data, not continuous data, and for uh, linear, cubic, those things we use for continuous data. And nearest is optional, we use optional, just okay. Yeah, now we change it. If come to measure is you can see is about 500 meter. Now it's change. It's for if you want to use flow direction every pixel, the simple is make our work more easy. Now come to from actual balls. In here we have a conversion from raster to point. Here we use input raster should be resample, values should use value, from fault use value, from output should be use point. Just okay. It's yeah, raster to point. It's something I want to tell. If your raster image is a more large, it will take more time, and also if your resample is the cell size or the pixel size is less, it will takes more time. But in here the raster image is also less, and also the resample pixel size is more. Yeah, how do I now in here I didn't know what is the direction of every pixel for determine the pixel, for determine the pixel of every pixel, for direction of every pixel. In here we double click to find. Yeah, come to symbology, we categorize. In here we use grade code at all value. In here we have a 1 up to 128, about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 value. How I identify the direction? Here is a technique. This technique is approved in ESRI, ESRI, and also you can see from ESRI website. In here for each direction pure point model is by a digit, and also it is by a direction. For one we use 19 degree, okay, 19 degree. For 2 we use 45, for 4 0 8 minus 45, like this. This is accepted. Come to here, double click to 1. In here we should write cu double t cutting, enter. Just cutting a row should be select. Here the size should be 10. For angle, come to here. For one we use how 19 degree. In here we use right 90 degree. Okay. For tone, double click. Also in here we have a cutting. Okay, the size should be 10. The direction should be for 2 we use 45. Okay, for 2 we use 45. Use 45. Okay, for 4 and also the same cutting cutting in here should be 10. For 4 we use 0. For 8 we use in here cutting, in here should be 10. For 8 we use minus 45. For 16 we use in here cutting 10. For 16 should be minus 19. For 33 we use here cutting, all of this the same. For 32 we use in here, with 32 here's minus 135. 64 in here 10. For 64 we use 180. And finally we use cutting 10. For 122 we use 135. Now it's done. Just this color is not use. Okay, apply. Okay, now this is the direction of every cell. For yellow color should be here like this. For this red color, green color, every color, and this will be more workable in here. It will be more important for a glacier direction. If you know the glacier direction, in here should be zoom. In here you can see for this glacier the direction is here, go for this one's here. You can see this is direction is here, If you use for glaciers, then the resample pixel size should be more than 15 because of the glacier is more thing. This is usually used for gold project, any project you want to implement some things. For glacier size should be here. You can see the direction of these glaciers. Okay, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much to use our video in priority. We are waiting for your comments, like, dislikes, and subscribe. If you want to any more video or requested video, please comment. The team will provide. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.